Let's see this question. A jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol. Now the percentage of alcohol is found to be 26%. Then the percentage of whiskey replaced is. So what they're trying to say is, we have a jar and that is containing alcohol, right? And initially it is containing 40% alcohol. Okay, so it is fully containing 40% alcohol, and now they are saying that a part of it is replaced, which means some part of it is taken out, and then it is replaced means it is taken out and again filled in by 19% alcohol. So if you assume that out of this total jar, X liters is remaining and Y liters is being replaced, then you can assume that X liters of alcohol is containing 40%, whiskey is containing 40% alcohol, and the Y liters is containing how much? 19% alcohol, right? Now they are saying that when we are mixing them up, the final mixture is going to contain 26% alcohol. Are you getting this? Initially 40% alcohol is present. The jar is containing completely 40% alcohol. Now some part of it is taken out. So what I am trying to say is, here let us assume that the part replaced is X and the part staying is Y. Part staying is X and part replaced is Y. So what does it mean? X liters of initial 40% whiskey is going to be there, and Y liters of it initial amount has been taken out and again replaced, right? Therefore you can think of it as if it is a mixture which is formed from X liters of 40% whiskey and Y liters of 19% whiskey. Now the final mixture form is going to contain 26% of alcohol. Got it? Now how to express this as a expression is, see this. Now if you assume that X is the total liters which is containing 40% alcohol, then what is the alcohol contributed by this whiskey? X into 40 by 100, isn't it? This is the alcohol contributed by this one, plus what is the alcohol contributed by this one? If you assume that Y liters is the amount of whiskey which is containing 19% alcohol, then the alcohol contributed is Y into 19 by 100. Okay, before going ahead, I hope you know that whiskey is a mixture of water and alcohol. Okay, when I am saying that it is 19% alcohol, it means that it contains 19% alcohol means 19% alcohol and remaining is water. That is the meaning of it. Therefore, even though if you have Y liters of this whiskey, it will contribute only 19% of it will be alcohol. That is why I am writing it like this. So from this whiskey, the amount of alcohol I am getting is X into 40 by 100, and from this whiskey, the amount of alcohol I am getting is Y into 19 by 100. Now what is the total amount of mixture present there? X plus Y. Got it? So what does this give you? This will give us the concentration of alcohol, right, in the final mixture. Now they are saying that this is equal to 26 by 100, right? And they are trying to ask us the percentage of whiskey replaced is. So what is the whiskey replaced? Y. Out of how much? X plus Y, right? Therefore what they are trying to ask is Y by X plus Y into 100. This is what is asked. Okay, now to answer this, if you can find out the ratio between X and Y, I can write it as 1 by X by Y plus 1 into 100. So I have to find out the ratio between X and Y. Okay, now if you observe this this formula, this entire equation, it is as if it is in the Alligation's formula. So now you can assume that this one is N1, this one is A1, this one is N2, this one is A2, and this one is A in that Alligation's formula, right? Now you can apply N1 by N2. N1 by N2 equal to A minus A2 divided by A1 minus A. So what is A minus A2? So A is 26 by 100 minus A2 is 19 by 100 divided by A1. What is A1? 40. 40 by 100 minus 26 by 100. So this is going to be 7 by 100 divided by 14 by 100. Therefore n1 is to n2 equal to 7 is to 14, which means 1 is to 2. So what is n1 and n2? X is to y, right? So x is to y equal to 1 is to 2, right? So what is that they are asking? Y by y plus x into 100. You divide numerator and denominator by y, then you are going to get 1 by 2 plus 1 into 100. So what is it? 2 by 3 into 100. This is the answer. Got it? 2/3 of 100. So what is the other way of solving it? If you don't remember this one, if you remember the diagram method, you can go with that. So in the diagram method, A1 is 40 by 100 and A is 26 by 100 and A2 is 19 by 100. Now you find out this difference and we know that this one is x and this one is y, therefore x is to y equal to these differences, right? Now what is that you are going to get? 7 by 100, right? And what is that you are going to get here? 14 by 100. Therefore x is to y equal to 1 is to 2. So once you find it out, you can directly substitute and get it. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.